Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss grammar work which is given in the workbook. Lesson 2, The Happy Prince. Change the number and rewrite the following sentences. Number means singular and plural. Here most of the sentences are the subject given in plural. So let us see first sentence. Birds usually build nests in the trees. So we have to understand simple present also. When the subject is plural, we use the first form of the verb. So birds usually build nests in the trees. इसके साथ में जो वर्ड्स है उसका भी सिंगुलर बन जाएगा. Okay, so bird singular, a bird usually builds. When the subject is singular, we use the aorist form of the verb. A bird usually builds a nest in a tree. The tree also correct. Next, good children always obey their parents. Children plural, so with the plural subject obey. Children singular, child. A good child always obeys, obeys, his parents. Her parents also correct. Number 3, the boys box in the gymnasium on Sundays. Subject is the boys, box verb, the boys plural, the boys singular, the boy. So the boy we use aorist form. With the boy we use the aorist form of the verb. So the boy boxes in the gymnasium on Sunday. Question number 4. Her dogs always attack strangers. Subject, her dogs. Her dogs, dogs plural. So V1 attack. Her dog. Now dog is singular. Always attacks, ATTACKS. A stranger. Question number 5. These hotels don't allow dogs. These hotels, subject, hotels plural, these plural. So don't allow dogs. This hotel, this into this, hotels into hotel. So now this subject is singular. This hotel doesn't allow a dog. Its hotel doesn't allow a dog. Allow change नहीं होगा. The reason is we use first form of the verb after do, does and did. Question number 6. I brush my teeth twice every day. Here the subject given in singular. So the subject is I. I brush with I also we use first form of the verb. So I changes into we. We brush my teeth नहीं आएगा. We brush our teeth. We brush our teeth twice every day. Seventh, they do exercises every morning before breakfast. Here the subject is they, plural, so they do, V1 verb. They we can change into he or she. So with he does. Do का SOS form है does, DOES. He does an exercise every morning before breakfast. Question number 8. Horses run fast. A horse runs fast. Horses plural, so run. Now we can change horses into a horse. H small, a horse runs fast. They spend all their money on clothes. Here the subject is they. So there we can use either he or she. She spends, she singular, so spends, SPENDS, all her money on clothes. If it is he spends all his money on clothes. Question number 10. Some girls enjoy singing. Some girls, subject plural, so some girls enjoy, V1. A girl singular, so a girl enjoys, ENJOYS, enjoys singing.